Welcome back to the page. This video is a two-part series about stolen vehicles. In this video, I'm going to show you the secret text group within Telegram, and it'll show you how much these stolen cars are going for, how much people pay for them, how much people are willing to pay for them. It shows the complete negotiation. It also shows that they plot on these cars before they even steal them. So some people do have a chance to protect their vehicles, but you never know when somebody's watching. So let's watch the video. And as you can see, these videos aren't just on the East Coast. You can see some in Nashville, Texas, California. I see one for Baltimore, New Jersey, South Jersey, especially New York. The one guy here has a Camaro SS with track tires. They're selling guns. Drops are for when they spot a vehicle that can be stolen, and people usually pay $500 for drops. So if they spot your vehicle, they'll tell somebody, I know where one is. They'll give them $500 for the location, and then those guys will come out and steal your vehicle. So what I want to get into next is prevention. So I'll post some items that I buy for my personal vehicle to help prevent your vehicle from being stolen. This device is what I consider a kill switch. Some are connected directly to the battery. Some are meant to interrupt a circuit. Sometimes I will wire these into a fuel circuit or ignition circuit just to have an on and off switch to kill power to that location. I will wire it. I can't say where, but I will wire it. And from 100 meters, you could disarm or arm it. And this is the cheaper version, so it's something that you can pay for probably $30 or less, and it's not like a complete alarm system, but it's something that can get you by. This device used to be called the club, but it also connects to the brake or gas pedal along with the steering wheel. This is something I would use in addition to a security system. They try to cut them, but it takes a long time to cut them, and it's very loud to even cut these things because they're still. So this is another preventative security system that I will buy in addition to another one. This product here is a complete security system. It's a kill switch, a fuel shutdown, a GPS tracker. It prevents carjacking. Somebody pulls you out the car, and if they're driving the car, you got to put in a code, or if the key isn't within proximity, the car shuts off, the brakes lock. That's a complete security system. It's called, you can find it at igla.us or igla.com. It's online now at a discount, so I will buy it now. Last but not least, the people that come to steal your cars don't just come with burglary tools, they come with weapons. So your best line of defense is always going to be a weapon, whichever caliber you choose. But just know that if you ever have to confront somebody that's trying to steal your car, assume that they are armed. And with that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate your time.